Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create promotional pop-ups on your website on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to be going into your website tools, and as you can see currently I am on my main page. From here, to get to your website tools, you're going to go and click on pages and go into the pages menu. From here, scroll all the way down until you get to utilities, and as you can see, the second option is website tools. From here you have the promotional pop-up option. Click that, and then you can set up your promotional pop-up. You can click display pop-up, and that's gonna display the pop-up on your page. As you can see, just like this, and people can close it down by clicking on the X. But here you can change the layout, change whatever you want, and as you can see, you can leave the page without saving. So I'll just go ahead and click stay. You can go ahead and save in the top left. You can create actions. I'll just save this pop-up right here. You need to connect to your storage option. You can sign up for a newsletter or click a button, for example, like this. I'll just click save and go back to promotional pop-up. From here, you can change the action. You can go ahead and change the content. You can edit it however you want, but pretty much once you click display pop-up, that is all you need to do. And once that's done, you're pretty much set. Whenever somebody displays your site, they're going to get that pop-up and they can use all the options that are available to them. They can sign up for a newsletter, they can access a new part of your site, view new products, etc., etc. And that is basically all you need. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.